Okay, in this question we are given RT as being represented by the vector t times square root of t plus 3, comma, t squared plus 4, comma, et minus 1 divided by t. We want to find the domain of RT, and we also want to compute the limit as t approaches 0 for RT. So we'll first do the domain. So we need to check each one. So t times square root of t plus 3, we know that the number has to be greater than negative 3. If it's less than negative 3, let's say negative 10, we would have a negative in the square root, and you can't have a negative square root. Then we have t squared plus 4. T squared plus 4 is all real. We can have any number for t. And then we do et minus 1 divided by t. We can't divide by 0, so t cannot be 0. So the domain will be close bracket negative 3 because it can be 0, comma 0, parentheses u, parentheses u, 0, comma infinity. Since it cannot equal 0, that's why we're doing regular parentheses. And now we want to compute the limit as t approaches 0. So we simply plug in 0 for t. So we get 0 here, so we know it's going to be 0 for this one. We do the same thing for this. We put 0, so we would get 0 plus 4, so we get 4. This is a little challenging because we would have 1 minus 1 is 0 divided by 0. So we know to use L'Hopital's rule. So if we use L'Hopital's rule, we're taking the derivative of this, and we're taking the derivative of this. Taking the derivative of this, we would simply get et. Taking the derivative of this, we would get 1. So now we insert 0. So e raised to 0 would be 1. So 1 divided by 1 would be 1. So our final answer would be the vector 0, 4, 1. And that's all we need to do.